Alright, got her a new a big bush installed in her enclosure. I'm going to give it a shot, see if it survives. I think it may. She's slowly checking it out. See her back there. As I was putting it in, she just kind of hung out on a shelf up there and watched me. So, what are you doing now, dude? It's this is about a 1.5 foot of substrate. Where's she at? I like to change things up ever so often and give her some new things to kind of explore. And these things, they're supposed to do okay in hot environments. She's back there. Hot, humid environments, so they do well outside. We'll see. I mean, nursery gave it to me for like $10. And I get in here, I'll have to trim it a little bit if it does grow. Trim it back away from the lights. It may kill some of this right here. It's basically an experiment. I change up her cork barks every so often and try to give her some new things to do. So I think she's hiding on the back side. Where you at, Kira? Got you climbing up the bush. Anyway, we'll see how this plays out. If it lasts a few months, $10 to me is worth it, and then it'll go in the yard as plant food for the other plants. Where's she? See her back there. Hopefully she'll like it.